you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating how to create content for your t-shirts. Right now I just received an order for the security shirts for a customer. I need to make 3 shirts, so this is my I'm gonna call it my stencil on my silhouette. I have already created it, sized it, flipped it, did everything that I need to do. So now it's in the process of being cut. Here is my Cameo, where I do all my vinyl cutting. Let's see. When this is done, this is going to have all this. Okay, so it's been cut. I don't know if you guys can see that good. It says security. So now the next step is to weave it out. I'm going to try to do this with one hand just to show you guys an example, and then I'll finish it and come back. So when I weave, I always start from the end. Wherever, like so. See if I can get this camera. Hold on, you guys. So you grab from the corner and it should come up like that. So once I get it, I'm gonna try to do it like this since I only have one hand today. I don't have my stand, but you get the picture. Sorry. And it should come out easy just like it's doing. I'm just gonna do that one S and then I'll pull it all off and then come back and show you guys. So there you have it. There's the S. And I'm gonna do this with the whole sheet. Stay tuned. And once complete, this is what you should have. The sticky side should be underneath. You're going to press this with your heat machine onto your shirt. So this is what it should look like. This will be for 3 security shirts. Security on the back and pocket area.